In this question, we've been given a slope and an initial condition, and we've been told two equal step sizes. We haven't been told what they are. But we know that our initial condition is x equals 1, y equals -3. And we want an approximation for y when x is 2, y of 2. So if x equals 2, then my entire delta x is 2 minus 1 or 1. If we want two equal step sizes, then we're going to have two steps of 1/2 for each. So that means that's important. That's my change in x. So now I'm going to draw a picture. I know many of you don't need it. Ha ha, we all need a picture. Come on. Who are you kidding? We're going to start at 1, -3, and we're going to go at whatever slope this is. Well, what's my slope? dy dx equals 2x plus y, or 2 times 1 plus a -3, that's equal to -1. So I'm actually going to go down. I know my delta x is 1/2. I'm trying to figure out what my delta y is. That's one way to do it. Or y minus my y1, well I know my y1 is -3, equals my slope, I just found that at -1, times x minus x1. Well, that's always going to be my delta x here, isn't it? But just to prove it to you, hey, 1 is where I start. If I go a delta x of 1/2 from 1, that's 1.5. 1.5 minus 1, there's my 1/2. Whoa, didn't want to do that. So this is really 1/2. So y plus 3 equals -1 times 1/2. That's just -1/2. When I subtract 3 from -1/2, I have y equals -1/2 minus 3 more. That's -3.5. So after one step through, this point is 1.5, comma, -3.5. Now I'm going to do it again. I'm going to keep going down. What's my slope this time? Same thing, 2x plus y. But now I'm going to use this point of 2 times 1.5 minus 3.5. Or this is really 2 times 1.5, that's 3, minus 3.5, that's equal to -1/2. So that's my new slope. So now I'll do it all again. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. But I don't even really need to do this. I know this is always my step size of 1/2. My m this time was -1/2. And this time I'm starting at -3.5. So y minus -3.5. Okay, well, this is -1/4. If I subtract, because this is plus and minus makes a plus. So now we'll have y equals -1/4 minus 3.5. Well, if I have -3.5 and I go a quarter more, that's equal to -3 3/4 or -3.75. So we never used a calculator. Here was our answer. We'd really just use the line equation twice, but with different slopes each time, coming from this right there.